Hey guys, Rob with Project Tech Gaming here, and today I'm going to give you the top 5 tech gifts to get your mom for Mother's Day. Let's jump in. Let's kick it off with number 5. Number 5 is the Apple Airtags. If your mom's like my mom, she's constantly losing her keys. This is where the Airtags come in. She'll be able to easily locate her keys, her wallet, or anything you basically put this thing on with ease. All you do is connect it to your iPhone, your Find My iPhone app, and there you go. You'll be able to exactly find where the item is based on the AirTag's location. It's super awesome, and it's a no-brainer for anyone that's constantly losing their keys. Setup is simple. They come with a bunch of fun loops, so you can attach them to a key ring, your purse. You can even attach it to your dog on their collar. So for whatever reason, if they run away, you'll easily be able to find them. And the best part about this is that it's only $29. That's kind of crazy to have a peace of mind so they'll never lose something again. Yeah, and if you want them for the whole family, not just mom, it's $100 for a 4-pack. Number 4, the Fitbit Charge 4. This is perfect for any mom that's into fitness. It has a 24/7 heart rate tracker. It syncs with any phone, so if she has an iPhone or Android, setup is still super easy. It's waterproof, so she can jump in the pool, shower, go to the beach. Don't have to worry about breaking it because she has this piece of technology. Doesn't have to worry about really charging it either. Its battery lasts up to 7 days on a charge. You could see your workouts. You can see your sleep patterns. Even if someone's not really into fitness, to be able to see all this stuff is pretty awesome. The best part about the Fitbit Charge 4 is that it packs all of this technology at a $100 price point. You can't really beat that. It has also built-in GPS, so you get a ton of technology, and it's perfect to just be active. It'll remind you, hey, like you need to take some steps, this, and that. So if you don't want to fork over all that money for an Apple Watch, I think the Fitbit Charge 4 is a perfect solution. Number 3, the Apple Airpods and the Apple Airpods Pros. I included both of them because depending on your budget, you can decide which one you want. They both easily pair to the iPhone. It's a breeze, so your mom's gonna have no problem connecting this to the phone. They also charge with the existing lightning cable on the iPhones, so no need to take out a different type of charger. You can just plug it into the lightning cable and boom, done, it charges. The AirPods Pros actually come with a wireless charging case, so if you have a wireless charging pad, you can place it on there. The AirPods Pros do offer active noise cancellation, so if that's something that you want to get your mom, it's going to cost you an additional $50 compared to the AirPods. The AirPods start at $149. The Pros are $197. So is that $50 worth it to you? I would say so. I've used noise cancellation in my headphones and earbuds, and I honestly prefer it. The AirPods have a universal fit, so they'll fit into her ears perfectly fine. But the AirPods Pros they come with 3 different sizes for the tips, just because they offer that noise cancellation. Again, this is the best earbuds you can get right now at this price point. As far as like what you're getting out of the package, it's a premium product. They're super easy to pair. The mic quality is great for calls. I think this is a perfect gift for mom as well. Number 2 is a perfect gift for the mom that loves to read. It's the Kindle Paperwhite. The Kindle Paperwhite is the best Kindle you can get right now. It's waterproof, so it's perfect to take on the beach or sit by the pool. It has 8 gigs of storage, so that's more than enough to store all your books. The battery lasts for weeks on a charge, so you don't have to worry about charging that. The best thing about the Kindle Paperwhite is that it actually reads like real paper. That was the biggest thing for me when I was switching from paper books to Kindles, was that it didn't feel like I was actually reading a book. It just felt like I was looking at a screen. The Kindle Paperwhite changes that. It comes with 4 colors. So it comes with black, plum, sage, and twilight blue. So easily be able to pick from those colors for your mom. And I don't think she'll go back to reading paper books anymore. After experiencing Kindle, you have all the books you could want from the Amazon library. So again, if she's an avid reader, this is the gift for her. Oh, and it's only $129. And number 1 is the echoshow 8. This is an 8-inch smart display. So what is it? What is a smart display? Well, it basically allows you to do everything. It has Alexa built in. It's super easy to set up. You can video chat on it. You control your smart home. You can also cook along step-by-step recipes from the Food Network app. No more looking at your smartphone. No more trying to get your laptop out to constantly click on the recipes. It's just right there for you in that smart screen. You just say, hey, Alexa, I need this recipe. And boom, she'll show it to you right there on that smart screen. You can look at your calendar. You can see the weather and traffic. You can also adjust the thermostats and show security cameras. This thing can literally do everything. You can even turn it into a digital photo screen. And how much for all this technology? Only $105. You just can't beat it. For $105, you can video chat with your kids, control your smartphone, all of this stuff in that package. I think mom would love that. And there you guys have it. That was the top 5 tech gifts for mom for Mother's Day. Hey, if you like the video, leave a comment, sub to the channel for any new updates. And thank you so much for watching this video. And to all the moms out there, happy Mother's Day.